Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are dealing with the important point in pharmaceutics, that is tablets. At the end of the video we get the detailed information and important aspects about the tablet. So let's get started. In this video we sums up the introduction, definition, classification, advantages and disadvantages of tablet. First, we see the introduction of tablet. In that definition, tablet is defined as a compressed unit solid dosage form containing medicament with or without excipient. It means that tablet contain medicament, that is active pharmaceutical ingredient which show the therapeutic value, and it also contain excipients, means additive or adjuvants. Next is, according to the Indian Pharmacopoeia, that is IP, pharmaceutical tablets are defined as the solid, flat, biconvex dishes. Means it is a shapes of tablet which can be available in the market. Then it can unit dosage form prepared by compressing a drug. Means it is a processing of tablet, that is compression, and or a mixture of drug with or without diluents. Diluents, it is an excipient. Then tablets are vary in shape and differ greatly in size and weight. Means there are various tablets is available in various shape, size, and it has various molecular weight depending on amount of medical substance and the intended mode of administration. Means there are various route of administration of the tablets. This is the introduction, definition, shape, size, and introductory part about the tablets. Next is classification of tablets. Tablets are classified according to the route of administration. First, there are four classes of tablet. We see one by one. First is tablet ingested orally. It include compressed tablet, example paracetamol or aspirin tablet. Next is multiple compressed tablet, delay release tablet, example enteric coated tablet, sugar coated tablet, example multivitamin tablet, film coated tablet, example metronidazole tablet. Next is chewable tablet, example antacid tablet. Next class is tablets used in oral cavity, which include buccal tablet, example vitamin C tablet, sublingual tablet, example Vicks menthol tablet. Then next is troches or lozenges, and last is dental cone. Third class is tablets administered by other route, example implantation tablet and suppository or insert. And last class is tablets used to prepare solution, means tablets are dissolved in water and prepare solution and then the solution is administered. Example, it contain effervescent tablet, example disprin tablet, dispensing tablet, example enzyme tablet, hypodermic tablet and tablet triturates. This is the flowchart of classification of tablet. This sums up the all the detailed classification about the tablets and its example. This helps us to revise the classification of tablet. Next is advantages and disadvantages about the tablet. First we see the advantages of tablet. First advantage is easy to administer, means tablets are there is easy way of administration. Next is easy to dispense. Next is more stable, as a tablet is solid unit dosage form, so it is more stable than liquid dosage form. Then accuracy in dose, means there is a more accuracy of accuracy in dose is in tablet. Next is bitter and nauseous substance can be easily dispensed. This is because due to weak and coating the tablet, so bitter and obnoxious odor of the drug can be masked. Next is light and compact. Tablet is economical and there is sustained release product is possible by enteric coating. Next is disadvantages of the tablet. First is problem with compression to crystalline drug, means when the drug or API is crystalline form there is a problem in compression. Next is hygroscopic drug are not suitable for compressed tablet, means there is a hygroscopicity of the about the API, then it is not suitable to produce tablet. Then next is drug with low or poor water solubility, slow dissolution may be difficult to formulate, means if the API is low slow solution and poor water solubility then the tablets cannot be compressed. or cannot be formed. And this next is cost of production may be increased because of coating and encapsulation. There is sugar coating or different enteric coated tablets which have a coating. They not be produced or they may be costable due to this coating. Last is swallowing is difficult, especially for children and unconscious patient. Means tablets is not comfortable for the pediatric and geriatric patients. This is about the tablet. Thank you.